Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Ragi, which is also called as finger millet, is a nutritious cereal grain. It is a gluten-free grain with high fiber content and low glycemic index. It is also rich in calcium, iron, magnesium and protein. It increases your energy, stamina and improves your bone health. Ragi is an excellent source of plant-based protein for vegetarians and vegans to meet their protein needs and maintain muscle mass. So, today I want to share a super and healthy calcium and iron rich ragi and oats pesarattu. You can have this for breakfast or dinner. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of ragi, half cup of whole grain moong dal, half cup of rolled oats and 1 tablespoon of methi seeds. Add some water into it and rinse it well 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear and discard the water after each rinse. Rinsing the grains and pulses helps you to remove the dust particles from it. After rinsing, add some water again, cover it with a lid and soak it for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, see the ragi and dal are well soaked. Discard the water now. Now transfer it into a mixer jar and then add 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon jeera, some salt, 2 shallots, add some water, cover it with a lid and grind it into a smooth batter. There is no need to ferment this batter. You can directly make your own dosas. So, add some water into it, stir it well, and make it into a pouring consistency. Keep it aside. Now, grease a pan with some coconut oil and heat it. Then, take one big ladle full of batter at the center and immediately start spreading it in a circular motion into a thin dosa. Cook it well for 1 minute on a low flame. After 1 minute, flip it over and cook it for a few seconds on the other side. Flip it again, fold it into the center and take out into a serving plate. Now, I am making another dosa without adding any oil and follow the same procedure for this dosa. Your tasty, super healthy, calcium and iron rich Ragi Oats Pesarattu is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.